Hi, thanks so much for joining me today. My name is Bel Marshall, and you can find me on my website at www.belmarshall, BELMarshall.com. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you the EFT tapping points, and it's actually really very simple. EFT is really hard to get wrong, so for those of you that are worried, oh, am I getting the right spot? Am I exactly on the right spot? Stop worrying about it. It doesn't matter. As long as you're close, you're going to get it. And that's just how simple it is. So just take a deep breath, relax, and watch where I go. Okay, this is the karate chop point. Imagine as if you were going to do a karate chop on a board, and that point of impact, that's your karate chop point. So I just use all 4 fingers, and that way I get it all. Then we have the inside of the eye, and this is a spot right here. Okay, my eyes are so going to cross with my fingers between my nose. It's where the eyebrow meets the bridge of your nose, and I just take a couple of fingers and I tap right there. Very lightly, don't hurt yourself, don't bruise yourself, just a very gentle tapping. All you're trying to do is move a little bit of energy. Then the outside of the eye, and that's the spot right here where if you put your finger there, it's kind of like there's like a hole or an indent. And you take 1 or 2 fingers and you tap there. Use as many or as few fingers as you like. It doesn't matter. It's not that important. Just kind of go along with whatever feels most comfortable. You can do both sides. You can do one side. You can alternate sides. It doesn't matter. No difference whatsoever. It's going to be effective regardless of how you do it. I used to try it with doing both sides as I tapped through all the points. I really didn't find a difference in the results or the effect. So I decided to be lazy and I just do one side now. Okay, so now we have under the eye. What that is if you make like a line underneath your eye from where your pupil is, like a parallel line, and the bone right underneath it, that's it right there. That is your spot. Then under the nose, that's going to be that little indent right here where my finger is, where it's probably making it really difficult for you to understand me properly, but that's okay. Hey, I like to have fun. So right there, 1 or 2 fingers. You can use all 4 if you want, but that feels a little weird to me. But, I usually go about 2. Then the chin point, and that's this little crease right here. At least I have one. I don't know about everybody, but I do. It's below your lip, above your chin, smack dab in the middle. And again, use as many or as few fingers as you like to do that. Then we have the collarbone point. For men, this is where if you knot your tie, that's where it's going to be, right there, where the knot rests, but you have a bone on either side of that, and that's really what you're wanting to tap on. So what I do is I make a fist, just like that, very lightly, don't hurt yourself, please don't hurt yourself, and tap lightly, and that's all you do. And then under the arm. And what that is here, ladies, when you wear a bra, it's going to be right there where that bra strap is. Guys, just a couple inches under the armpit. And this is one where I do use my whole hand and I tap all the way through. See? Just like that. And then the top of the head. And the way that works, okay, let's see if I can do this and see what I'm doing while I'm doing it. Probably not. Okay, so let's fake it, okay? Right along here, just kind of take your whole hand and tap right up there over the crown of your head. And what that is known as in acupuncture is a 100-point meeting place. And so this is one of my absolute favorites to tap on because I figure, if I get all the rest wrong, if I just tap up here all over the place, I'll get something right. And that, ladies and gentlemen, are your EFT tapping points. And I thank you again so much for joining me. I hope it was informative. I hope you got the information you need. And if you'd like to know more about me and the work that I do, my name is Bel Marshall, and you can find me at www.belmarshall.com. I'm looking forward to hearing from you.